You're scrolling right now because you're frustrated with your body. Either you can't fill out a t-shirt no matter how much you eat, or you're avoiding the beach because of the extra weight you're carrying. Here's the truth. Both paths lead to the same aesthetic destination, but the road you take, completely different. Let me show you exactly which path is yours. I'm going to walk you through the exact roadmap that's helped thousands of guys build that aesthetic physique. The kind that looks powerful in a t-shirt and even better without one. And no, I'm not talking about looking like a dehydrated fitness model or a stage-ready bodybuilder. I'm talking about broad shoulders that fill out a jacket, a developed chest and back, strong glutes, visible arms, a tight waist that creates that athletic taper, the kind of physique that just looks right. But here's what nobody tells you. The destination is identical, but the starting strategy completely opposite. A skinny guy who struggles to gain weight cannot follow the same plan as someone who's 30 pounds overweight. That's not opinion, that's biology. Try to bulk when you need to cut, you'll just get soft and lose definition. Try to cut when you need to build, you'll end up smaller, weaker, and even more frustrated. Before I show you which path to take, you need to understand the 3 non-negotiables that make either path actually work. Pillar 1, training. This is about sending one clear signal to your body. Build and keep muscle. That means progressive overload, lifting more weight, more reps, or more volume over time. Your foundation? Heavy compound movements, squats and hinges for legs and glutes, presses for chest and shoulders, rows and pull-ups for back, strategic isolation work for arms, rear delts, and abs. Pillar 2, nutrition. You can't outtrain a bad diet, period. Calories determine if you gain, maintain, or lose weight. Protein builds and protects muscle. Carbs fuel your training. Fats support hormones. Skip this pillar and you'll work twice as hard for half the results. Pillar 3, recovery. Sleep isn't a suggestion. It's when your body actually builds muscle. Bad sleep, high stress, 0 rest days. That's a recipe for spinning your wheels for months. Quality sleep, planned rest days, and basic stress management are the difference between a 1-year transformation and a 5-year struggle. Now let's talk about the skinny guys. If people call you slim, lean, or wiry, if your arms disappear in long sleeves, if you've tried eating more but the scale won't budge, your problem isn't fat, it's a lack of muscle mass. Here's your 3-phase roadmap. Phase 1, foundation and strength. Weeks 1 through 8, goal. Master the fundamental lifts and build legitimate strength. 3 to 4 full body or upper lower sessions per week. Focus on squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, rows, pull-ups. Learn proper form before chasing heavy weight. Eat in a small calorie surplus. Aim for half a pound to 1 pound gained per week. Your nutrition, high protein, calorie dense foods, eggs, oats, rice, potatoes, lean meats, Greek yogurt, olive oil, nuts. Here's the reality check. When skinny guys say I eat so much, they're usually 500 to 800 calories short of what they actually need. Track your intake. The mirror doesn't lie, but your memory does. Phase 2, lean bulk, months 3 through 9. This is where your physique actually transforms. Progressive overload becomes everything. Track your lifts religiously. Focus on mind-muscle connection, especially on shoulders, chest, upper back, glutes, and arms. Stay in a slight surplus. Consistency beats perfection here. The reality, give this phase a minimum of 3 to 6 solid months. This is where most guys quit because they don't see Instagram level results in 4 weeks. Don't be that guy. Phase 3, mini cut, optional, 4 to 8 weeks. Once you've added solid muscle and your weight is up, you might want to reveal what you've built. Drop into a small calorie deficit for 4 to 8 weeks. Keep lifting heavy. Increase daily steps. Let the fat slowly come off while keeping the muscle you worked so hard to build. Biggest mistakes. Skinny guys make dirty bulking, eating everything in sight, getting bloated instead of aesthetic. Program hopping, changing workouts every 2 weeks out of boredom. impatience, expecting 6-month results in 6 weeks. Now let's switch to the overweight guys. If you've got a closet full of clothes that don't fit anymore, if you're tired of hiding under baggy shirts, your goal isn't just to lose weight, it's to reveal the lean, strong physique underneath. That means protecting and building muscle while you burn fat. Phase 1, fat loss and muscle preservation, months 1 through 4, goal, drop 1 to 2 pounds per week while maintaining strength. Control calorie deficit based on your starting weight. 3 to 5 resistance training sessions per week. Heavy compounds are non-negotiable. Increase daily activity, 10,000 plus steps, but don't become a cardio junkie. High protein intake, 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of goal body weight. Why resistance training matters. Your body wants to burn both fat and muscle in a deficit. Heavy lifting tells it, we need this muscle, burn the fat first. Your nutrition, high protein, high volume meals, lean meats, fish, eggs, low-fat dairy, vegetables, fruits, potatoes, rice. Use low-calorie seasonings. Drink plenty of water. Phase 2, recomposition, months 4 through 8. As fat loss slows, you'll shift to eating closer to maintenance while keeping training intensity high. This phase is less dramatic on the scale, but incredible in the mirror. Your waist tightens, shoulders and chest start to pop. Clothes fit better than they have in years. You're simultaneously building muscle and losing fat. The holy grail most people think is impossible. Phase 3, refinement. Months 8 through 12 and beyond. You're close to your goal weight, but certain stubborn areas need extra attention. Lower abs, love handles, lower chest. Alternate between short fat loss pushes and maintenance periods. Use targeted training to build aesthetic weak points, glutes for a powerful lower body, lats and delts for that V-taper, core work to tighten everything up. Biggest mistakes overweight guys make: cardio only approach, losing muscle along with fat, ending up skinny fat. Crash dieting, losing 20 pounds in a month then gaining back 30. Quitting when the scale stalls, even though the mirror shows clear progress. Still not sure which path fits you? Ask yourself this: when you look in the mirror, what frustrates you most? If it's I'm too small and flat, go with skinny to aesthetic. If it's I'm carrying too much fat around my waist, chest, and face, go with overweight to aesthetic. It's really that simple. Both guides follow the same core philosophy: evidence-based training, intelligent nutrition, and realistic sustainable progress. These aren't random workout PDFs. They're complete transformation blueprints showing you exactly what to do for the next several months. Each guide includes step-by-step workout plans designed specifically for building an aesthetic physique. Exactly how to structure your week, which exercises, sets, reps, and how to progress safely. Precise calorie and protein targets based on your body weight and goal. Sample meal frameworks that work in real life. Progress tracking systems using the scale, mirror, and gym performance. How to adjust when progress stalls. Common mistakes to avoid that waste months or years. Everything is laid out in plain English, no confusing jargon, no unnecessary fluff, just the exact roadmap you need. Let me be honest with you. You didn't get into your current situation overnight, and you won't transform overnight either. But 12 to 24 weeks from now, you could be looking at a completely different person in the mirror. Broader shoulders, a tighter waist, more defined arms, clear structure in your chest and back, a level of confidence you haven't felt in years. That transformation doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you stop hoping and start following a proven plan. Here's what to do next. If you're the guy who's always struggled to gain weight and wants to finally build noticeable muscle and fill out your frame, check out the Skinny to Aesthetic guide. If you're tired of carrying extra fat and want a lean, athletic, aesthetic body, check out the Overweight to Aesthetic guide. Both links are in the description and pinned comment below. Pick the guide that matches where you are right now, download it, and start today. No more random workouts, no more guessing if you should bulk or cut, no more wasted time. The question isn't whether you can transform, the question is, Will you commit? Show up for your workouts, hit your nutrition targets, respect your recovery, and watch what happens when you stop hoping for change and start executing a clear plan. Choose your path. I'll see you inside the guide.